In this video, we'll show you how to change the blower control module on your Chevy Silverado. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Open the passenger door to give you easier access to the blower control module located in the glove box. Open the glove box. Press the retaining tab, then open the glove box completely. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using a fork, disconnect the two connectors by pressing the retaining tabs. Then remove them. Using a Torx T20 screwdriver, unscrew the two blower control module retaining screws, then remove the screws. You can now remove the module. You can order the blower control module used in the video from CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new module, install it in its slot. Then retighten the screws. Reconnect the power connectors. Close the glove box. Operation complete.